Hey everyone, unlike many budget refreshes, the OPPO A6 Pro is an inexpensive smartphone that offers real improvements rather than just a name change. The A6 Pro's visual design language is similar to that of the previous generation, although it feels more refined thanks to minor tweaks. The matte surface of the back panel is pleasant to the touch and makes it difficult for fingerprints to get on it. The most striking color choice is space blue, which can change from deep blue to almost black depending on the illumination. For those who would rather have a more neutral appearance, there is also a silver titanium variant. The IP69 rating is among the most unexpected improvements. As a result, the OPPO A6 Pro is completely impervious to water, dust, and grime, providing sufficient protection for swimming, rain, showers, and even light underwater photography. This kind of durability is nearly unheard of for a low-cost smartphone. The main Type-C connector, primary speaker, and SIM tray are located at the bottom of the frame, along with a secondary microphone, power and volume buttons, and an extra top speaker. The SIM tray may accommodate 2 SIM cards or a SIM plus micro SD card configuration for additional storage. One of the A6 Pro's best features is undoubtedly its display. The phone has a 6.57-inch Full HD Plus screen with a maximum brightness of 1,400 nits and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The screen finally adds a superior AMOLED experience to OPPO's low-cost portfolio while maintaining outstanding visibility from every angle. The Helio G100 chipset, which supports 4G networks, powers the phone. It scores more than 558,000 points in AnTuTu Pro benchmarks, which is good for this class. The majority of well-known games can operate smoothly at low settings thanks to the integrated supercool cooling system and game mode. One of the OPPO A6 Pro's outstanding features is its battery performance. The device's tiny design contains a massive 7,000 mAh battery that may last for around 2 days of continuous operation. The 80-watt quick charging performance is remarkable for this price range, and power consumption stays steady and predictable. A 50-megapixel primary sensor and a 16-megapixel front camera make up the camera system. The front camera produces appealing edge detection and harmonized skin tones in portrait pictures. Up to 1080p 60 frames per second video recording is possible, and the footage appears more detailed and stable than one might anticipate from a low-cost gadget. All things considered, the OPPO A6 Pro is one of those uncommon low-cost improvements that feels significant in practically every way. A far better AMOLED screen, significantly better optimization, robust camera performance, waterproofing, stereo speakers, and a gigantic 7,000 mAh battery with 80-watt fast charging are all significant upgrades over the previous iteration. The A6 Pro is undoubtedly one of the best options in its price range for those looking for a smartphone that is both powerful and reasonably priced with high-end features. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.